guys, you know you love DT if you have 15 minutes to spare before an appointment and you go to the DT for a couple things. So the sky's warming up and it's beautiful now. It was really rainy this morning, super heavy rain, but see, blue skies are on the way, on the horizon. So I'm going to the DT, guys. So just wanted to, if I see anything, I'll do a video later. But I just wanted to vlog, I guess, or whatever it's called, where I'm showing you where I'm going. So anyway, I'll see you guys real soon with my haul if I find anything good, okay? All right, talk to you guys soon. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sarah Starr. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. So today I have I'm actually going to hold the camera over here for a minute. Today I have what do I have? A DT haul. Yes, because as you see in the beginning of the video, I went to the DT today. I had a couple minutes between appointments, like I had to be somewhere, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I got to get to the DT because there's some things I needed to grab. So anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got. I got what I needed, and yeah. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and get to my haul. Sorry, there. Come on, camera. My camera likes to be blurry sometimes. Okay, here we go. So the first thing I got was, I'll get the boring stuff kind of out of the way. Okay, let's do the boring stuff first. Okay. I got mega paper towels. So now, okay, I normally buy the other one, so I'm glad I bought these today because these I didn't realize, I'm not sure if I realized this, but these actually are select-a-size type of thing, like the Bounty or whatever that brand is. So I think this will save me from using more paper towels, you know what I mean? Because you can select a size. So I think that's cool. So anyway, $1. That's a good deal. I'm sorry if I'm being kind of silly right now. Okay, I'm just getting my camera set up here so we can see what I have and then I don't blur out. Okay, the next thing I got was my son needed, so I got him those bug ones, and now Roman's only 4 years old, so he wasn't with me when I picked out the bug ones. You know, the bug Valentine cards I hauled a little bit ago. They have the sticky gel. They're really cute. But he's like, no, Mom, you know, so he didn't really love those. So today I picked up these. He wanted trains and cars. Well, I found these really cute card ones, and they're super cute. So yeah, I'm gonna got these for him, and there's 30 and 32 and a sticker sheet in there, if I'm reading it correctly. It's a little bit strange how it's written in the back. Excuse me, a tickle. It's a little bit strange in the back how it's written. It doesn't say like Valentine cards. It says like 30 small game cards. So I'm assuming that's what these things mean as game cards. So anyway, I hope that he likes them, and then if not, I can always exchange them or whatever. But I thought that was really cute. You know, the cute little cars and stuff like that. Then I picked up. Let me just go ahead and grab this bag here. The next thing I got was, I got lots of stuff in here. Let me go ahead and put this back here so I can just grab easier. Then the next thing I got was this, the Ziploc bags, the bigger size. I needed these we use it for like storing crafts and that kind of thing. So like, oops, is it upside down? Sorry about that, guys. There it is. So 12 for $1. They had the zipper ones with the actual zipper, but there are only 8 in there, so I chose the one with the 12. So I get more for my money. And then I picked up these because these are so good. They had them at Christmas time, but I'm telling you guys, these are really good. They also came in the orange the flavor, but they didn't have those. They just had the mint one. So I really like these. They're really good. So made by Zachary. So yeah. Then the next thing I picked up was the Good and Clean. And then again, these were only 24 wipes. I prefer the ones that come with 30 wipes, but these were all the way at the top of the rack and I couldn't reach them. So this is best I could get was the 24 wipes today, not the 30 count. I couldn't see the 30 count. And I'm going to try to include in this video. I took a picture because in another haul I had mentioned that they're raising the heights of our shelves so that they can put more product out. So I actually took a picture of that today to show you guys. It doesn't really show very good in the camera the way I was, because I was like backing up and it's like hard to get all from the bottom up of showing you, but you can see that the shelf is higher than the other one. So I wanted to show you how cool it is because they want to bring more product out. I'm like, this is awesome. The next thing I got was the baby wipes. These are the Hushables, and this is a sensitive one. These are new to my DT. Normally we just have the yellow packaging ones. So I picked up those, and you get 72 for $1. Then I picked up more TP, and then let's see what else I got. I picked up repeat buy of the sugar wafers. My kids love these, so we got those. And it's starting to get dark. You see my windows are fogged. It's like, it's pretty cold today. It's pretty cold here in California. Oh, it's 48 degrees right now. I'm looking at my thermometer. Okay, then I picked up another Scotch tape roll thing. Yeah. And then I picked up, these are always great to have on hand for me. There's 30 of them for $1. They work well. They serve its purpose. I mean, they're not the best wipes that I've ever used, but they do their purpose, and for $1, because, you know, 30 is a really good deal, and they work, and they have different things that you can use them for. So, and you know, I really think that this says, like I've said before, it says compared to Pledge multi-surface wipes. And it's called the Home Store, and I really think that this used to be a Kmart brand, and I could be wrong, but I really do think it used to be a Kmart brand. Then I picked up some more batteries. We did not have any. We were running low. And then, I mean, we just didn't have any of the AA. And then the last thing I got, I'm so excited about. Okay, so let me just start by saying, I went to Hallmark the other day, and they have beautiful rings at the register, and they're hearts, and they have little rhinestones all over them, and they're so pretty. But there's 4 of us, and the girls in our family, there's 4 of us. And if I wanted to buy 4 rings for Valentine's Day, that's like $16 plus tax. And so I didn't buy the rings, but they're beautiful at Hallmark. I mean, I think they're really cute. So just so you know that they do have, at my Hallmark, they have the really cute Valentine hearts, heart rings. So I'm going to put my defroster on. It's getting like real foggy in here. Anyway, so I've been kind of like thinking about those rings, being like, oh, I wish I bought myself at least, you know, they're so cute. So then, sorry, I just put my defroster on. Then I checked Amazon because I'm like still thinking about those heart rings. They're just so cute. Then I didn't find any on Amazon, and then lo and behold, DT, hi DT, look what I found today. Yes, I know that they're not the quality that Hallmark has by any, like, not near the quality of Hallmark, but like, this will serve its purpose. It serves the idea. I love dressing up for Valentine's Day. So my girls and I will have rings now, and it only costs me $1. Isn't that so fun? And I'll go ahead and try one on for you guys. It's getting dark. I'm so sorry. It's like nighttime almost here. And what time is it? It's 5:41. So, let's see. I will try. So yes, I know this fell off, and there was only one other pack left at the store, and there was more falling off the other pack, so I chose this one, and I could just hot glue it back on. Let me go ahead and be a hand model here for a second, and I'll show you what it looks like on. Just ignore my hands. They're a little dry right now because of the season, and I wash my hands a lot. So I'm not the best hand model out there by any means, but I want to show you what it looks like on. You know, I think it's going to be really cute. You know what, maybe I'll turn the light on. It's getting a little dark in here. Let's see. Is that a little bit better, you guys? Well, that's a little yellow. Okay, we won't be doing that one. So let me show you guys. I hope that they... Okay, let's see. I'm going to just put a little lotion on really quick. I'm not trying to be vain here, but I got some dry hands a little bit. Because like I do, especially right now because of the flu season and stuff like that, I like use my antibacterial all the time. My lotion, or my soap, and I'm just, I clean a lot, so I'm like always washing my hands. So I need to like not wash my hands as much, so they're not so dry as much. But I mean, it's the season, right? And I just want to make sure I don't get sick. Okay, here we go, guys. I hope it fits. Oh no, this might be okay. Well, I tried. Well, it works. These are more for, can I stretch this? These are more for kids, I think, not for adults. Okay. All right. Okay. I think I can stretch it a little bit. Not really though. So maybe I do need to go to Hallmark and get myself that ring because I cannot stop thinking about that ring. It's so pretty. And then my girls can have these. Let's see. Yeah, it's not fitting my adult hand. So I just want to show you though. Isn't that cute? It's so cute. Like, okay, I can only put it on my pinky, but you guys, isn't that so cute? Like, happy Valentine's Day. Like, it's just so cute. So I want to show you that. And look, it's like pinching the back of my hand. So I'm going to have to get myself that Hallmark ring, and then my girls can have this one. But isn't that so cute? They can have these. Is that better? I'm sorry if it's not. My hands are so dry, but I mean, they're not that bad, but I want to show you how pretty these are. So yeah, I would put one on each finger, but it doesn't fit. I love these. Oh, it's starting to rain. So anyway, with that being said, that's my Dollar Tree haul for today. I hope that you enjoyed it and saw something that you might want to go out and get yourself. It's kind of fun to see. Well, no, not kind of. It is fun to see what is out there. That's why I love doing these videos, because I like to show what's out there, and I also like to, yeah, I like to show you guys what I found at my DT. So anyway, and I know it's getting dark and you can almost not see me anymore. So with that being said, have a wonderful evening. Thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate you guys all being here, really do. And I'll talk to you guys really soon with my next haul, I promise. Until next time, I'm like looking at my ring. Until next time, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Take care now. Bye.